Hey, g'day legends, thanks for tuning in. This week's video, back on the Hemi Powered shore base inner, and bit of a surprise.
What you got, a Hemi, mate? That's a lot of good hammer on this one.
I bought them, mate, and we're gonna do something a bit different. We usually make stuff run and drive, but today
we're gonna make it stop.
We're gonna make it stop. How are we gonna do that?
With brakes.
Okay.
We're already broken.
Do you know how to make brakes?
No.
Oh, sounds like a plan. Let's get into it. Yeah, you do. You're broken. All right, let's get into it. Rightio, so what we're going to start with, I've already got that booster bolted on there. Got the new Commodore Master, so I'll get that bolted on, and as you can see, got the new fittings in there. Got two rolls of 3/16 brake line. Got the flaring kit, should be enough brake fluid there, and
she's locked up, mate.
I've got a helper. So
you don't move.
Cody's going to play with the fan. I'm going to go ahead, bolt this master on, and we'll start working out how I'm going to run these lines. And
this is my only fan.
But he's here all day, folks. So what we have here is a VY Commodore Booster Master and pedal box. Yeah, I love these things. They work well in these old trucks. The original stuff is no good, so yeah, this is what I like to use, readily available, and it works a treat. Righto, so I'm going to finish bolting this on, and then we'll get to the rear brake lines, eh? Rightio, so the reason for the video today is making these brake lines is because basically, as per usual, this thing's a hodgepodge of parts. So this is a XD Falcon diff, and it's got the original international front brakes on it, but I've gone ahead and fitted a Commodore booster, so it's metric and imperial, and we've got to marry it all together. So this is the factory flexi line off the Falcon. I've got the fit in there. I'll get a P-clamp probably and clamp this up here, and then yeah, we'll start running brake lines from the rear to the front, and then going to marry it up and yeah, try and make equal length front brake lines, and then maybe if we do it right, it'll have some brakes. Rightio, so I got the brake flaring tool out. Enough any is familiar with this, but got a heap of different operations depending on what you're doing. But the rear line we have to start, it is a double flare, so you got operation 1 for 3/16, hit it with that, and then yeah, operation 2 that does a double flare. So just dawned on me, Cody, I don't have a vice, so can you act like a vice today for me, please? This is gonna be yeah, gonna be a bit interesting trying to get the tension I need to flare these out, but look how big them arms are. Jesus. Alright, let's make it happen, eh? Let's get this rear one flared. Rightio, so I've got some line, you got the gadget. You're gonna show these people how we're gonna do this, yeah, or what?
We didn't have a vice, so then I started walking around trying to find something that could hold it. Yes. And then, lo and behold, I was looking for something on the forklift because it's like, it's heavy, so solid. And check this out.
Oh yeah.
Fits perfect.
Made to fit. Alright, well, now that we worked that out, problem solved. Let's do some flaring.
Okay.
Rightio, so I got that flare done after we utilised the forklift as a vice. It's worked a treat, might I add. We'll get this rolled up inside the chassis because that's where the factory line was run. We'll just rough run it for now. We haven't got it all clamped up yet, but I think this thing's high enough, eh?
Yeah, this probably suck.
So now I'll have to head it up and head it over to that master cylinder, probably run it across the back of the engine, clamp it along there, make it neat and tidy to go to the master. So go upstairs, run it across, get a length, cut it, and then flare the other end. Just roll this out. Rightio, so I got this rear line run up to the master. Cody's going to take over from here, run it to that rear nut on the master, and then if he wants to flare it, he can go ahead, and I'll do the left hand front brake line. Once that's established, the length of that, I'll try and match it for the right hand side, so get it as equal length as I can, and then we'll do some more flaring and maybe we can bleed it. How's she looking, lad?
It's looking like fun.
Like fun?
Fun.
I like it. I like it a lot. It's nice to work with that brake line, but
it's quite nice. Do you want like the swirlies?
no swirlies.
Why not?
It's,
You don't
farm,
like swirlies?
it's farm truck.
Yeah, they got swirlies from the corrugations and the movement. Stops fatigue.
Oh, there you go. That's a big word for this morning.
Yeah.
Especially after last night.
Being upside down in here is not really nice.
That's true. Alright, well I got the flare done for the left hand front. You keep doing what you do and I'll get this left front done. You know what you're doing down there, mate?
It will.
It will. Terrible. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Nailed it.
If I had a beer.
Really?
Oh yeah. That one.
Alright, so he's got half the left side done, the left front done. So I'll let him be and we'll get this buttoned up.
Alright, Bam's down there.
Yep.
Just finishing up the last bit. We still got these two to flare.
Gotta flare him out, yep.
We realised we messed up, or I messed up. I bent that before we flared it, so this is going to be fun. We're going to have to straighten that bit.
Minor details.
Anyway, look at the bloody spaghetti we got going on here.
Is this where the moonshine lives?
Yep.
Okay.
Not actually, it's actually where you store your tins.
Ah, there it is. Yep.
So that's where you put your tin of spray.
Good chance we're going to need some of that, so yeah, we'll keep it in there.
Perfect. Yeah, brake lines run along. Go, hide, down.
Can you give me a spanner, please?
Which one?
716?
716?
Yes. And the multi grips if I put them back up.
Motor grips?
Thank you. Now, question is, how many leaks are we going to have?
All of them.
All the leaks.
All the leaks.
Rightio, so I definitely haven't cut and reflared these twice at all. That definitely hasn't happened, so they're right to go. Cody's making sure the bench seat doesn't fly out of the cab on me. So I'm going to go ahead and attempt to fit these brake lines now that they definitely haven't been flared twice. Do you remember how these go? Oh, hang on, that's true.
Where the radio doesn't work.
Doesn't it? What about the aircon?
Yep.
So I'll get that started in here. What side did we make? I'll start that. How about that? I'll start that and you do you, boo.
Okay.
So nice.
I need to figure out how this went again.
Rightio, so got all the brake lines run, clamped, everything should be good to go. I just ripped out all the bleed nipples, a couple of them blocked, so gonna go ahead and see if I can unblock them. And then, oh yeah, these are all gonna work.
Talking about seeing nipples and choking.
Alright, I'm gonna slide these back in and see if we can coax our mate to push the brake pedal tip for us.
You keep feeding me beers, I'll do whatever you want.
Got those nipples back in where they're supposed to be in the calipers. Cody's still holding that bench seat down, he's doing a really good job.
Hasn't gone anywhere.
So let's fill this thing up.
Is now
All the bubbles.
bumping.
Pumping. You're doing a great job, Cody.
Thank you, my leg's sore.
Now he's complaining his legs sore.
I was more comfortable before holding the bench seat in.
I can't win. Nothing yet.
Yeah.
No, not really. Go again, mate. Yeah, nothing yet. So we might have to vacuum bleed these rears. I bought a vacuum bleeder with me. Not sure if this is gonna fit or not. Sort of, kinda. Can you give that another go, Cody, please?
I'm gonna get back in the car now.
Yeah.
Just got out.
All right.
Yeah.
Down?
Yeah.
No, nothing. It's not delivering any down here. It might be something in that flexi line. Yeah, I might crack it at the junction and see if any's coming through that flexi line, eh? I'm getting fluid to the rear flexi line and nothing out of it, so I'm pretty sure this thing's either blocked or collapsed, and good chance it's blocked because it was open to the elements for a long time. That answers that question. Now where's the block? Alright, well, problem found. Now I've got to try and find some wire to run down this thing. If I fix this, we'll have rear brakes, so let's find something.
Can I hold it? Worker I am. I haven't even got out of the car.
I've got my brake hose cleaning tool, factory. That's the air fan speed.
You ruined it.
In there. Yeah, that's it.
Brake clean.
Oh yes. So good. So good. Alright. Now we should have some rear brakes. And then you can have a celebratory beer. I promise.
Okay. I'll wait till then.
Okay. Alright, I'll fit this and we'll beat him up. Rightio, we officially have fluid at
He's
the
talking
nipple.
shit again.
You want your fluid in it, Cody?
Yeah, sure. I have no idea what you said.
Fluid at your nipples.
Fluid at my nipples, yes. Pumping
Hey,
the...
whoa,
Wait,
what's going on?
hey, you said pump.
Stop.
Sorry, you just started talking about my nipples and I just started pumping.
It's spraying at the nipple. Hang on. Okay, give it 3 bumps
3 pumps.
and then I'll open your nipple.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's it.
It's erupted.
It's erupted. Welcome back to Only Bams.
Only big. Think it coming soon. Down?
Yep. Oh, that was a good one.
That's looking pretty good. Not
Right.
much air. Okay, 3 pumps.
3 pumps.
3 pumps, jump. Oh yeah. Okay, go again.
How much more? My legs are getting sore. 3 pumps.
Oh, yeah, got a bit
To the
of
floor.
Ah, it's all fluid now.
Yeah, buddy.
Happening. Things are happening. Well, rears are like solid stream of fluid now.
Nice.
So it helps when the flexible line has fluid go through it.
Not blocked.
Yes.
Go down, mate. Oh yeah, that one's working. Oh yeah, we'll give it 2 more pump.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's just straight fluid now. So alright, so the right hand side's good. I'll just have to get a hose for that left hand side, and then we'll have 4-wheel brakes.
Just duct tape, mate. Should be right.
Okay. I got this new brake hose on after Cody got it cleared up for me.
Alright, you ready to do the pumpies?
No.
Pumping.
Give it a pump.
Pump.
Hold down.
Holding.
Oh, alright. Pretty much fluid now. What's that pedal feel like though?
Bloody, it feels like a brake pedal. That's like inch.
So now I'm gonna have to find some vacuum hose to operate that booster. The brake line debacle is over. 6 hours later we've got some brake lines on it, and I reckon, I don't know, pretty snazzy, man. What do you reckon?
Yeah, it's not bad. I wish we remembered to flare them so we didn't have to unbend them.
I don't know what you're talking about.
But yeah, okay. Pretend like we knew what we're doing.
Yeah, no, it's I don't know. End result's what counts. Should have brakes. We haven't run it with the booster hooked up, so we've hooked the booster up. Cody tells me we've got a pretty solid brake without the booster on, so kick it in the guts, see if the booster's okay, and then go that way.
Through the fence.
Then go that way to the window, to the wall.
Let's go. Brake test number 1.
I've got to fix the starter. Going on there. Don't stick your finger in there.
Okay, stick your finger in there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
That's pretty good.
They work. Work pretty good.
Come in.
Not bad. Ooh, the door works. That's weird. Let's go.
I think the old, either the rotors need a bit of cleaning or the calipers need a bit of freeing up, or the vacuum source isn't the greatest, maybe. Something a bit weird there, but the pedal's hard.
That's the
There's the throttle pedal. Better than it was?
Oh, I love that.
Hi!
Man, Nugget Express.
Man, Nugget Express.
What else you want to be doing on Saturday?
I'm in my happy place.
Well, we definitely got brakes, but they need a bit more attention. But that's going to have to be for another video, I think. Yeah. But I can move it in out of shed with brakes now, so I've got a bit of confidence there. I'll do a bit of lap around here.
That'll run.
Pretty hard at. Will it run?
That'll run.
Good on you, John.
No,
Yeah,
not. That one will.
It's got a radiator, it must run.
We should do that.
Wow.
Too much?
I'll show you after and see what you reckon.
Brake. Do a brake check before entering the shed. Don't run over the camera.
Oh yeah. How good.
Yeah. Oh, that's hitting really good. Beautiful. Beautiful. Emergency string engaged.
See? Works like brand new.
Brand new.
What a bit that smoke though.
That's pretty good, man.
Should we try that again with... Should we... I thought I'd have a look at my vacuum source and I was dead right. Have a look at that. Friggin' hornet's nest in there.
Yeah, we know what we're doing.
I think I need to take us for
How did we
another
not-
little drive.
How did we not check that?
I don't know, I
We
just
need
put
to
it
give
on.
the poor thing a rest. No?
A little bit. Little bit?
A little bit?
Well, at least want to fire it up and check the pedal.
Yeah, you'll
That'll
know
make me
that.
feel better.
Alright, let's
Okay,
get a
I'll do
stick.
that. Oh yeah, there it goes. All right. Yeah.
Let's try it again.
Let's try that again. Where's the... There it is. You got it. You're all over this, eh?
Done it a few times.
Played knife and spoony before.
Oh, I played knife and spoony before.
Oh.
What are you doing? You need to poke something down here.
Yeah.
It's in park.
Yes. Now everything's red hot. Someone should have put a radiator in this thing. Oh yeah.
He's better. Still back up.
Yeah, way better.
Way better.
Still, like I said, I think yeah, like I said, I think the rotors and the pads and like everything's second hand. I have no idea what condition those calipers or pads are in. That's just what this thing comes, same as the diff. It's just how I got it. So,
True, they were a bit rusty.
but the system works. The system's plumbed. The system works. That's the main thing. So I can fiddle with that later on, but I can move it in the shed now. So when I work on that, the big Detroit, I can just move this in the shed and work on it.
That is cool.
So, I think I'm going to wrap it up here, everyone. As always, appreciate you watching. If you can do us a favour, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And go to Cody's channel, do the same. Fence Post Rusty Goats.
I'm waving behind the camera. Hello.
And I'll catch you on the next one.